How to add link in resume in Canva. So here is a step-by-step guide for perfect linking your portfolio, LinkedIn or website. So let's get started. So here, as you can see, I have my design open in Canva. You make sure you do as well. Go to the canva.com, log in and go to your design. Now once here, let's begin with tutorial. Tap on the text option available at the left-hand sidebar to add a new text, which includes the link. So now, once you tap on it, you can simply select if you want to add as a heading or a body according to your preferences. So here I'm typing on the body option available there. Now all you have to do is drag and simply keep it or place it wherever you want to keep the link on. Like if you want to keep it as your contact, like your Facebook account or your Instagram, then keep it right next to the contact. Or if you want to navigate your people who ever check your resume to the website you have created, then you can simply tap on the website and create a new font there. But here I'm simply keeping here for an example. Now once the text box is placed properly, let me simply type down for the link. Here I'm simply clicking the click here option available there. You can keep any according to your preferences. You can keep my website, my Facebook account, my LinkedIn or anything. Then tap on the three dot icon available there. Once you tap on the three dot, tap on the link and simply paste your link here. I'm copying and pasting the canva.com because I do not have other link available for now. Now all you have to do is simply save this to your device. Download it to your device and check if the link works or not. Tap on the download option available there and make sure you choose the PDF standard version. Wait for a while for the download to be completed. Then tap on the click here option available at the bottom. Then navigate. Now here simply tap on the click here and see if it navigates to the canva.com or not. So that is it. You can keep it according to your preferences as I have mentioned. And if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.